How to fix your watch history is off on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to access your YouTube account, however, the recommendation is not fixed because of the watch history, here is a way to turn it on. First and foremost, head over to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will be seen as soon as you launch the YouTube app. Once you head over to it, you can either tap on Google account or the gear or settings icon. After that, go to Manage All History section. Once that is done, you'll land to this page from where you have to select on Not Saving Your History button. Tapping on it will take you to another page. Now, make sure to tap on Turn On button. This way, YouTube history will save the YouTube videos that you have watched and listened, as well as the things that you have searched for. And on that basis, you'll be recommended regarding different videos. Tap on Accept or Next and then tap on Got It. Now that you go back to your home page, you can start surfing on videos and your recommendation will be changed on that basis. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.